What's up guys, back with another install video. Today we're going to be putting an exhaust on the Audi. Last video, if you saw it, we put the halo lights on and some rock lights, get it glowing good. Since then I put the handguards on. Pretty quick and easy install, so that wasn't much of a video. But today we're going to make her bark. We're putting the MBRP exhaust on. Got the bad boy right there. Let's get it out, get it on, make this baby sound good. Ooh, there she is. Beauty. That'll be everything we need right there. So here's everything it comes with. You got your pipe, obviously, your instructions, couple stickers, fasteners there to mount it. Looks like they give you a new clamp now, so that's good. We won't have to reuse the old one. Let's get this baby on. Okay, so before I get the stock exhaust off there, of course we're gonna do a little sound test. So let's do a nice little -12 cold start and hear the stock. Get the clamp loosened up. Now we're going to loosen up the bottom bolts here. One to go. Right in there. Put that nut back on there. Gave it a few whacks with a hammer to try and open the clamp up that way. Hoping that did it. So something I just realized as I'm messing with this, trying to get it off. I said earlier that they give you a new clamp, but I forgot that where this comes in two pieces, the clamp they give you is actually for here, not for there. So you do have to reuse the stock clamp that comes on the Can-Ams. When I put my RJWC on, it was all one piece. You didn't have to put the two pieces together, so I wasn't really thinking when I said that. Before you call me out in the comments, I already caught myself. You do need to reuse the factory clamp. I gave her a few more taps. That clamp's got to be loose now. She should come right up. There it is. There it is. All right, time to get the new one on. So the pipe's off. I already kind of started a little bit, but you got to file this weld off so you can get the clamp off. Put it on the new pipe. Yes, sir. Say goodbye to this thing. Let's get the old clamp on the new pipe. If you've got a 22 or a 21 or actually anything above a 17, you don't need this little piece here. That's for the 17s and below. So, all right, let's start getting this baby into place. So the new nuts and washers are 13 mil everywhere. Yeah, everything's a 13. And then you've got your stock clamp, which is still different, but at least we're down a couple wrenches anyway. So like the manual said, I kept that clamp loose, obviously, and that one's loose, just until you get that on there, that on there. They're hand tight right now. Tighten them up. See how she sounds. So it's pretty straightforward from here. Put it back on the same way you took the other one off. So I'll do that and then we'll fire this baby up. Okay, just got it done. Looks pretty clean on there. I kind of like that all black finish. Almost looks like a bit of a sleeper. It doesn't stick out. Hopefully it sounds like it sticks out. Then you come to the side. Bam. That looks good. Oh, I like that on there. Doesn't stick out past the bumper, which is good. Might get into some wheelies eventually, so hopefully it won't be dragging. It's out past the trunk, but not the bar or the bumper, so that's good. So I'm going to replay the before sound. And here's the after sound. MBRP exhaust install on the 2022 Audi. She sounds good. Out for a little rip there. It's got a nice sound to it. I wouldn't say it's as loud as an RJWC or an Empire for sure, but it's got a nice performance sound to it. You don't need a tune. They say it's a 1 horsepower bump. I mean, I didn't notice it just running around the yard there, but we'll see. Sounds good, looks good. All in all, I'm pretty pumped on it. Stay tuned, more videos coming. The trails are nothing but ice right now, so that's why I'm just kind of putting around the shed and getting all these things done. As soon as that thaw happens, or at least, I mean, I like snow. I don't care about snow, but it's the ice. So as soon as that's gone, we're hitting trails. Peace.